everybody. I hope you all are having a good day. Today I will be working on a 10 by 20 canvas, and I am going to be doing an open cup pour. I have quite a few colors here in front of me. I don't know if I'm going to use all of them, but they're all metallic. The first color that I have is going to be my base color. Instead of white, I will be using champagne, and that is from FolkArt. Then the next color that I have is antique copper, and that is from FolkArt. Another one from FolkArt, and it is bronze. And then I have DecoArt Americana Decor metallics, and that is antique bronze. And I have this really pretty color, and that is Aquamarine. That is a metallic also. It's like a metallic patina almost. And I've got this color here, and that is Sahara Gold from FolkArt. And then this one, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It is Worn Penny from DecoArt. It is almost kind of close to the antique copper that I have, so if I run out, then I'll use it. If not, I'll use it for something else. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Alright, first I'm just going to pour some of the champagne down here. Just going to move it around just a bit. Get that a little covered on the ends there. Alright, I'll set that right in the middle. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex, floetrol, and a little bit of water. And I do have 3-in-1, a drop of 3-in-1 silicone in each color, not this color right here. No, not in the champagne. Alright, so I'm just going to start with the antique copper. Okay guys, we're going for the close-up. This actually turned out really cool. I wasn't sure with an open cup pour. I've always used white as my, my base color, and I wasn't sure how metallics would go, and this actually looks really cool. Champagne, I love using that color. It always is really, really pretty as an alternative, to white if you still want, a lighter color, but not necessarily white. The champagne's really, really pretty. And it adds a little sparkle. Alright, I love this. It looks so cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the links in my description, and have a great day.